In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Just Dance on Xbox Series X without a Kinect. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the older Just Dance titles were primarily meant to be played using a Kinect or some sort of camera tracking device. The Kinect is very old at this point, and you might be curious on how to play the newer Just Dance titles on consoles such as the Xbox Series S or X with something akin to a Kinect. They actually developed a way for you to use your phone essentially as a Kinect. So all that you have to do to play Just Dance without a Kinect is to download this app, the Just Dance 2025 controller. This one is going to be available for iOS or Android smart devices. You can even possibly get it on a smartwatch. As you can see according to the images in the description, this is going to allow you to hold your phone while you perform the dance moves. There is also a beta mode, which essentially allows you to use your smartphone as a Kinect. So this is going to be the best option possible, and you will be able to use it on songs that have the feature unlocked. So every time that you perform a dance move, your phone camera will be able to pick it up and send the data to the game. So download the app and open it up. Inside of the Just Dance 2025 controller or the old Just Dance controller app, you will be able to tap Start and enter your pairing code. So you will need to use this code that is displayed on your console to actually use any mobile device as a controller. Once you are done pairing up your smartphone and the console, you will get instructions on how to properly position your smartphone. So as you can see, it is going to give you the proper distance. It tells you that the environment should be turned on with a lot of lights, and your phone should be as straight as possible. You can play and dance to any song that has this icon at the top right, camera controller compatible. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Just Dance on Xbox Series X without Kinect. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.